mid-cap king and the small-cap ka badsha. Prunjul joins us. I mean, he is considered to be the foremost authority when it comes to understanding the cycle in the mid and small-cap stocks. Everybody is curious to know that is the party in mid and small-cap stocks over? And is this like 2018? Because the selling in last couple of days is a polite and a scary reminder of what happened 5-6 years ago.
Sorry. So, can you hear me?
Yes. You want me to repeat my question? Even it took me some time to also register the market fall in last couple of days, how brutal it's been. Do you think, okay, now the selling is something which was anticipated and expected. So nobody is surprised with it. It is the pace and the similarity of what we've seen in last couple of days is quite similar to what we've seen in 2018 when mid and small cap stocks, they got smoked. Are we in a repeat of 2018 or this is just a bad patch, more like a bad dream? When you'll get up in the morning, it'll be over?
I'm 100% sure it's not a repeat of 2018, which I have gone through and suffered very badly with a huge underperformance to the market. So I can definitely, I think that experience will make it more valuable from my point of view. This is everyone, every expert or fund managers or research analysts coming on your channel and talking to you in the last maybe many months. They have been all questioning about the froth in the market, right? So that was almost sure kind of thing. But because of the technical factors of too much money flowing into the market, too many companies were trying to raise funds by QIP, all kind of things, and a lot of stocks were being managed by some investors or maybe some small operators. So it has gone into some kind of so it was a sure thing which was expected and it happened. But this time, of course, I understand the last 3 days was too much really a big fall. It was almost like the 2018. But here, things have changed. See, I was just going through the Edelweiss report in the morning today. One of the reports they are talking about comparing the small cap and mid cap indices 2 years ago and today. 2 years ago in 2022, early 2022, it was around 26 was the price earning multiples for both small cap and mid cap. And surprisingly, the earnings of these companies in the indices, they have gone up by something like 60-65% in the 2 years, which is very unusual. And the outlook is also equally good and promising. So, and just for information, the P ratio of 2 years ago of this small cap indices and mid cap index, they have come down by 1%, around 1% or 1.5%. This will be a big surprise to somebody who is not following those indices and its valuations. So I feel, but at the same time, it's 100% sure there was froth, especially in many pockets. And overall, the number of new investors coming to the market was very huge. They didn't have that experience, so they are not seasoned investors or traders. Too many people entered into trading by opening an account. So the market breadth has significantly changed in the last few years since the COVID. So this is not going to be 2018 repeat. I'm telling you all the positives. Those who want about or caution about the small cap investing or the froth in the small mid caps, they have also been talking about the structural changes happening in India, the massive scale up of economy and its growth. So all those positives are definitely there, and earnings growth is much bigger than the the prior period of 2018. So we have all the reasons to be remaining bullish, but this was very much required for a healthy kind of stock market functioning. And I appreciate regulators. They are doing things like an Indian parent when they see froth and too much manipulations, especially the SME kind of stocks. It's a wonderful thing they have done. So that will give a very healthy kind of a consolidation in the market in the coming weeks. And I would say for those investable quality companies which have got good fundamentals and value stocks, the correction is almost done. There can be some more little down, 5-10% up or down. But I feel this is the time to look for cherry picking of value stocks. With this correction, that kind of an activity I am expecting that kind of a confidence also coming back. And I'm not talking about all these small mid caps or fallen will go up or what you call rebound in a few days or a few weeks time. There will be a consolidation. It's very good, very positive for the investors, long-term investors.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.